This is PlanIt, 2 systems for your flooring business. First, estimating, from the first measurement to the quote. Start at the floor plan, photograph it, and the rooms and their sizes are read off the drawing for you. Or, if your hands are full, say them out loud. The room lands on the estimate as you speak it. Stairs get a proper configurator. Steps, going and rise, winders round the corner, a bullnose at the bottom, and the roll length works itself out as you type. Then the job nobody has time to do properly. Every roll width compared, the waste and the cost of each side by side before you commit a meter. It draws the nesting plan room by room and hands your fitter a cutting sheet with every cut and measurement already on it. Now the money most shops leave on the table. Gripper, worked out from the rooms you've already measured, 103 meters, priced onto the quote. Laminate, LVT and wood come by the pack, not by the roll. Whole packs with the waste that's actually in them. Floor preparation too. 39 square meters of plywood is 14 whole sheets, and each product sits on its own rooms. The quote goes out with your name, your logo, and your colors on it, not ours. Show your room measurements or hide them. If it's going to get shopped around, they get a price, not your working out. And where the customer pays the fitter direct, the fitting shows as payable to your fitter. Out of your total, your VAT and your deposit. Send it from your phone. They accept it online, you're told the moment they do, and the job moves itself along to one without you touching it. And when it's a price you agreed on the doorstep, skip the calculation. One line, one figure. Same branded quote, same number, same deposit terms. Before any of it went out, you knew what the job makes. Cost, margin, and profit while there's still time to act. Every quote then sits in a pipeline. What's live, what's booked in today, what it's all worth. And every survey and fitting in one diary. Work in meters or in feet and inches. Trade anywhere you like. It takes that country's currency and that country's tax. Now the shop's till. PlanIt EPOS. Adding your supplier's prices is easy. Start by dragging their PDF in. This one's 18 pages, read page by page and priced as they go. 1,000 products on the shelf and on every quote you write. Then find any of them in a second. By product name, by the supplier who sells it, or straight off the code on the label. Then ring the job through. Underlay, gripper, and fitting on the same ticket as the carpet. Trade or retail, the VAT is handled either way. Card, cash, on account, or all three against one sale. Stock knows what's on the roll, what came off it, and what's left in the corner as a remnant. With every delivery, cut and write-off behind it. Trade accounts show who owes what. A fitter pays $2,000 off his account, and it settles the oldest invoices first. You see which before you commit it. Orders run from deposit through to balance, and any sale, from any day, reprints. Then the reports tell you what actually made money. Your margin, your best sellers, and the supplier you're really buying from. It installs on your phone like an app and keeps working when the signal doesn't. And it's currently free until the end of this year to the first 100 business that sign up. PlanIt. Quote it and sell it.